When the 90-minute boil is over, and with the chiller already in the wort, move the brew pot close to the sink. Sanitize the thermometer probe. Rinsing it off with the sanitized water you prepared earlier, and put it in the wort. The reason we use the wort chiller is the quicker we can cool it down, get it in the fermentation bottle, and seal it off, the lesser the chance germs have of contaminating it. Hook up the hose to the faucet and turn on the cold water. If it's summer and you live in a hot state like Texas, then the cold water coming out of your faucet might not be cold enough. It's August and my cold water is 80 degrees, so I have a couple of bags of ice standing by. "14 minutes later, the wort chiller has done all that it can do, and the wort's now 84 degrees. The brew pot won't fit in my sink, so I'll have to use the ice like this. Upon reaching 65 to 70 degrees, it's time to put the wort in the fermentation bottle. From this point on, anything coming in contact with the homebrew must be sanitized just prior to use. Sanitize the strainer. The pan of boiling water is already sanitized. Unseal the fermentation bottle and start scooping and pouring. It will clog up with Irish moss, and when it does, clean it off by dunking it in the boiling water. If you want to find out the alcohol content of your beer when you're finished making it, then don't pour all of the wort into the fermentation bottle. Set some aside to take a hydrometer reading. Pour the sample of wort into something like this. Find the potential alcohol scale, drop the hydrometer inside, and read the value that sits just above the liquid. Write this number down for later reference. The inflated package of yeast indicates it's ready for use. You must sanitize it before opening it. Sanitize the water lock. Let it sit there for a few moments. Then rinse it off and reassemble it. I like to use vodka in the water lock. The alcohol is added insurance against germs contaminating it. "24 hours later. The home brew should look like this. The water lock should look like this. And the fermenting wort should look like this. Let it ferment at around 67 to 68 degrees. Set your AC to keep the room temperature about 4 degrees cooler than you want your fermenting beer to be. So set it to about 63 degrees in this case. Wrap it up or keep it in a dark place and let it ferment for about 1 week.